Nice flying, Nate.
Yeah. I have like a 5% down elevator mix, but it's still too much. I started to
Why do I smell toilet? Freaking porta potty stinks, man.
Someone blew it up real good.
Burning Man has a burning ass. He's got a burning ass.
Alright.
Ready?
Ready.
Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Ooh, baby. Oh, I can see it. It's bright. Go. Whoa, what are you doing? All right, I'm behind you. Oh, wait, you're there. Okay. You lost your orientation? I toned mine way down because it was too high. Let me see if I can catch up to you.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, there you are.
Dude, that looks
I'm gonna yik-yak with you guys.
Go. Fast?
Oh shit. Woo! Jesus!
oh, and turning.
I think I'm gonna put an afterburner in this thing.
I heard 2 planes in formation.
It has,
There we go.
since the back of this guy has the back
Ooh-wee.
I think I'm gonna put an afterburner in this. That'd be fun for that.
And it needs a little more color.
Time remaining 1 minute.
It's bright though, you can see it.
I think I can do some more to make it pop.
Okay. Did you make these yourself or did you find it somewhere? Huh?
I did not make it.
Okay.
Alright, what pattern are you guys flying?
We're not. We're just doing our own thing.
Alright, I'll take off.
But if you're going to be out there, we'll do more of a predictable thing. We'll just stay opposite of you.
Alright. Taking off.
We never could do this before, Frank. This plane would yell at us. Would start doing the limp biscuit.
Did you guys fly them stock at one point?
Yeah. For a long time. And then Frank was the first one to convert.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Whoa, that was close.
1.
I feel it.
5.
This thing's pretty fast.
It's very fast.
What is that? That cock?
No, it's the Yak-130.
The FMS. We've never flown them like this before. And they're just taking it. It's taking it. No issue. Let me get on you guys.
Timer over 55.
Okay, I'm coming in.
Alright.
1 minute over. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Right to left.
I still remember how me and Ray met. I almost flew my Phantom into his F-16.
Like that? Holy crap, we were close.
0.2 volts.
Where are you, Frank? Shit.
Right here.
All right, I'm right here too. That's the problem. I'm like, I had to. I didn't want to go off the end. I was like right there over. I'm like, okay, is he gonna move? Is he gonna move? Is he gonna? Oh my God! Look at Nate. Crazy kid. Whoa.
Watch it snap.
Oh, seriously? I just drove off the end of the damn runway, watching this kid fly. All right, Nate, fly right at me. Come on.
Flaps up.
Woo! That was close. You're clear, Nate. Pretty sweet little bird for a stock one.
Because I remember I got that suspension gear that made it sag.
The V2 has that gear standard.